Ever paused mid-stride, mid-chew, or mid-sip to question what exactly is entering your body? Ever wondered if there's a better way to maintain your health, a way that's more in sync with nature? Well, today it might be the day to consider natural medicine. Natural medicine, also known as alternative medicine, is a realm where nature meets health. It's a world where herbs, plants, and natural elements take center stage in preserving and restoring health. But why consider natural medicine when we have a plethora of modern medical treatments at our fingertips? Firstly, natural medicine focuses on prevention. It's not just about treating symptoms or diseases, but about fostering a lifestyle that keeps them at bay. By boosting the immune system and promoting overall wellness, natural medicine aims to keep you in your prime always. Secondly, natural medicine respects the body's innate healing abilities. It doesn't overpower or suppress, but gently nudges the body towards self-repair. It's like a kind friend that holds your hand, guiding you down the path of recovery rather than pushing you from behind. Lastly, natural medicine embraces individuality. It acknowledges that each of us is unique, with different bodies, different needs, and different ways of healing. Therefore, it provides a personalized approach to health rather than a one-size-fits-all solution. So, how can one incorporate natural medicine into their everyday life? It's simpler than you might think. It starts with a conscious choice to respect your body and treat it kindly. It might mean swapping the morning coffee for a cup of herbal tea, or choosing a walk in the park over a session at the gym. It might mean learning to listen to your body, understanding its signals, and responding with care and compassion. It requires a shift in perspective, a change in habits, and a dash of curiosity to explore the vast and varied world of natural medicine. But the rewards are plentiful. Imagine waking up each day with a sense of vitality, with a body that feels strong, a mind that feels calm, and a heart that feels content. That's the promise of natural medicine. So, take a moment today to explore this path. Delve into the world of natural medicine, discover the herbs, the therapies, and the practices that resonate with you. Make them a part of your life and watch as your health flourishes naturally and beautifully. Remember, the journey towards health isn't a sprint, but a marathon. And natural medicine is your faithful companion every step of the way, so why not give it a try? After all, there's no greater wealth than health. And natural medicine could be your golden ticket to a life of vitality, wellness, and balance. As we journey deeper into the realm of natural medicine, let's explore a few practical examples that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Firstly, let's talk about food. Did you know that the humble garlic, a common ingredient in our kitchens, is a potent natural antibiotic? Or that turmeric, with its vibrant golden hue, holds powerful anti-inflammatory properties? Start to see your meals not just as sustenance, but as medicine. Use herbs and spices not only for their flavor, but also for their healing benefits. Secondly, consider the power of movement. Yoga, for instance, is a wonderful practice that promotes flexibility, strength, and balance. Not only does it keep your body fit, but it also calms your mind and nurtures your spirit. Thirdly, don't underestimate the healing properties of nature itself. Spending time outdoors, whether it's walking in the woods, gardening, or simply sitting in a park, can significantly reduce stress and boost your mood. Lastly, let's not forget about the magic of sleep. Quality sleep is a cornerstone of good health, and there are many natural remedies to promote it, such as chamomile tea, lavender essential oil, and a regular sleep routine. Remember, these are just a few examples. The world of natural medicine is vast and varied, and there's something for everyone. So, go ahead and start exploring. And remember, every small step counts. The journey towards health is indeed a marathon, not a sprint. And natural medicine, with its gentle, holistic approach, is your faithful companion on this journey. So, embrace it, savor it, and let it guide you towards a life of vitality, wellness, and balance. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of natural medicine. And if you've enjoyed this video and want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay healthy, stay natural.